in terms of the can anybody hear me? How? Okay, good morning, everybody. Sorry, for this live, there will be a small kid behind me. So, very warm welcome to everybody who has just joined me into this particular Zoom meeting, the English Zoom meeting. Please feel free to ask all your friends, those who are interested in joining this this particular journey, a learning journey, I would say, which is quite good at the end of the day. For you guys, it will be very beneficial. Okay, so sit back, relax, and just later enjoy this particular Zoom. So as you all know, this particular Royal Q, it has been an awesome app that is being introduced to App Store and Play Store, and a lot of people have been earning quite well. So for those of you who already tried with in terms of this Royal Q app, the good thing about this Royal Q app, I would say, because it's earning us USDT money. So so sit down and just relax. Okay. So for those of you, right, please switch on your video at the end of the day. Okay, let's switch on your video. Then there will be a Q&A session later for those of you who are unsure. Yes, I am. Okay. Okay. Wait. Let me see. Co-host. Deepak. Okay, can you guys hear me? Deepak, can you hear me?
Can bro.
Okay. So I think we just wait for maybe till we hit about 500.
Then.
Yeah.
So I got
so
two numbers. I'm going to look for another one. Deepak R.
Can go.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys, please switch on your video, all right? If later there will be this particular lucky draw spin the wheel session that you can win some money, all right? So we have for today two of our. So there will be a total of two speakers. One will be Mr. Deepak, and the other one is Mr. King Gas. So we have also special appearance by today from one will be Mr. Danish from Malaysia, and the next one we have is Mr. Edric Chang from Indonesia, and lastly a V5 from India, Mr. Mahendra Gaika. So right now, okay, for those of you who are still new to Royal Q, okay, please take note that this particular Royal Q has been around since April. It can be downloaded over at Play Store and also at App Store. But do take note that there are some people who what you call it, duplicate this particular Royal Q app. So if you are unsure, please head over to the main website, which I will put inside the chat in a short while. Okay, the chat is not available. So there is also a desktop version. So before you do anything, right, please ensure that the app itself is a real one. Okay, so please check with your introducer. If you're, let's say, your introducer to show you which is the correct app to download. Okay, so please be cautious at any point of time. So the thing about this particular Royal Q, it has been helping a lot of people from all over the world. They have been earning a lot of money. So the thing about this Royal Q, you need to know is in terms of money management, you need to understand. Okay, just a simple thing that you need to know is, for example, this particular Royal Q, you need to understand. It's like a okay, sayang. Okay, nah, sit down. Okay, so sorry. So the thing about this Royal Q, it is like you are given a car. Okay, you are given a car, but then you need to understand on how to drive it, on how to stop, and how to pump in the fuel. Okay, but before you do all these things, right, you need to understand the mechanic of Royal Q. So if you understand the mechanic of the Royal Q, that is the point of time whereby you can just start this app. But the main important thing whereby that majority of those people who have already downloaded this particular Royal Q app, majority of them do not understand the mechanics of it. So that is why it is good for you all to attend Zoom, the Zoom meeting that is over here every single Tuesday. It will be an English version. So like myself, before this, I had started on the 13th of June. Initially, I was like, it was a bit skeptical whereby of this particular Royal Q. But then when I have tried it, I had earned money. So on my very second day that I have tried, I had earned actually 17 USD with 100 USD capital. So not to worry for those of you, that's why we have this particular Zoom session is to teach you guys on how to do in terms of proper money management, on the things whereby you need to do trial and error. Okay, this Royal Q, there's a lot of trade settings over there. You can follow in terms of their circle copy trade. Okay, so the thing is later it will be explained over by Kingas, by Deepak. Just listen. If you are unsure, right, that is why there is also this particular YouTube live channel. Listen to it again and again till you understand. Like myself, I have attended more than 10 Zoom sessions that is being done by Deepak, by Kingas, by Danish, by Abang Sufi. There's a lot of good sifu out there, but listen to their conversation. Try to absorb as many as possible, because at the end of the day, this particular app has helped a lot of people. Okay, so you are in the right Zoom channel right now to listen, to understand, and at the end of the day, you need to practice. Okay, do not the thing is, when for us as we are working, right, we will only get our salary once a day. But this particular Royal Q app, what it does is it gives us profit every single day. But before you want to start, ensure you understand the every single functions of this particular Royal Q. Okay, similar to how we play a game, we as a starter we will lose. But then once we understand the mechanic of this particular game, we get professional. Okay, so let me see. Now we already hit 500. Deepak, are you ready, my dear brother?
Ready, bro?
Ready, yeah? Okay, guys, let me see. Okay, without further ado, let us welcome Mr. Deepak from Malaysia. Over to you, my brother.
Thank you, bro. Hi, guys. Welcome, everyone. How are you all today? I hope everyone is doing good. So now in Malaysia, we just ended our lockdown, almost ended, and things are getting better. I hope everyone of you guys are doing good, especially during this pandemic time. I'm sure everyone, you have your own stress, but today, guys, I'm going to show you an opportunity that if you choose to participate, it can change your life, okay? Now, before I start, let me just give you a disclaimer. None of us here are financial advisors, okay? We are also fellow investors like you guys who invested, who use Royal Q bot to trade for us in Binance, okay, guys? So there's a disclaimer. Now, to go on further, again, welcome, guys. Today, I'm going to show you an opportunity how you can make money, even if you are not a trader, you have no experience in trading. If you have zero experience in cryptocurrency, you have come to the right place. Because with Royal Q, guys, you don't need experience. All you need to do is just learn what I'm going to teach you today, how to get the robot, how to activate it. Once you know how to do that, automatically you can begin your trading and you can start generating a very good income, guys. Okay. Now, let's go with the introduction first, and then we will go on the application itself. Okay, guys. So, Royal Q quantification. Okay. So, as we all know before this, guys, Royal Q was introduced to rest of the world only in March 2021. Okay, end of March 2021. This year, guys. Okay. So, if you are here today, you are still a pioneer because you know every businesses within the first 6-7 months comes to a place you are the pioneer. So welcome again, and congratulations for being the pioneer. Okay. Yeah, before we start to present, guys, this is how the presentation today is going to work. Let me do my presentation. Once I've already completed, I will open the floor for Q&A, and then you guys can raise your hand. Based on first who raised their hand, we will be answering your questions. Okay. Now, so royalty quantification, as I said, was introduced on March 2021 to rest of the world. Okay, it came to Malaysia, and from Malaysia, our team took it to the rest of the world. So that is quite a good achievement, guys. Okay, so start your quantitative financial management journey. Now, one very important thing: why Royal Q? What is so good about Royal Q compared to every other investment scheme that is being offered out there? Guys, you see, every other investment schemes, if you are managing your own funds in that investment, then you are doing it right. Because guys, in today's world, people are out there just to take your crypto away from you. So what I like about Royal Q is your capital, guys, your capital is managed and only accessible by you and only you. Okay. Now, the first point here, if you see, fund security of quantitative transaction. Okay. API is authorized to bind with Huobi or Binance exchanges, only opens reading and trading permission. That means the board is only allowed to read the market and trade. That's it. Okay. Users' fund, trading funds and profits are in their own account, safe, and you can check it anytime. As I told you, the funds it's only accessible by you guys. Okay, and can be unbound at any time. Meaning you can unbound the bot from your trading account anytime. Okay, and funds do not need to be transferred to the platform. That means, guys, your capital is not, you're not putting your capital in Royal Q. Royal Q is just like a software. Let's call it a software. Okay, the software that you connect to your exchanger so that it can make money for you. So normally in software, let's say you buy any software today in your laptops. What do you do with it? You pay for it a one-time fee, and or a yearly subscription or a monthly subscription, follow whichever apps you're using. For example, guys, today I'm using Zoom. Okay, we are using Zoom. For this Zoom, we are paying maybe monthly, right? But or some people even pay yearly. Now, do I put my rest of my capital on Zoom? No, right? I use Zoom to do presentations. Same way, when it comes to Royal Q, the bot, it's only to help you trade. It's a software that helps you to trade. So you don't have to put your capital in Royal Q. A lot of people come back to me and ask me this question: how safe is Royal Q? Guys, that's a wrong question to ask. You don't ask how safe is Royal Q. You need to ask me how safe is Huobi and Binance, because your capital is going to be there. Royal Q has no access to your capital, guys. Okay, that's the first point. Okay, next point, guys. How does quantitative trading make money? So basically, it uses advanced mathematical models, also known as AI. Okay, to replace human subjective judgment and use computer technology to select a variety of high probability events that can bring excess return from huge historical data to formulate strategies, and let computer replace manual arbitrage of buying low and selling high. Okay, guys, trading logics to earn the differences in profit. Okay, now the benefits of quantitative trading. Now, guys, if you are a trader, if you have traded in the stock market, in the forex market, or in the crypto market, and if you trade yourself, we should agree to one thing, guys, that when we trade ourselves, we are very emotional beings, right? Human beings are very emotional beings. We have emotions. So we have fear, we have greed. When the profit is good, we become greedy. But those trades that we became greedy, we end up losing and making lower funds because we became greedy. Now, that entire emotion will be replaced by Royal Q, because Royal Q is a software, right? It's a bot. And a bot has no feelings, it has no fear, it has no greed, right? So it greatly reduces the impact of market volatility on investor sentiment and avoids making irrational investment decisions when the market is extremely fanatic and pessimistic. Okay, it is an essential tool for investors to avoid human subjective judgment errors. It also has the advantage of high efficiency, discipline, and system, and it also saves your time. Why, guys? Why I said it saves your time? Because when you want to trade yourself, you need to give enough screen time. We call it screen time, where you need to be on the screen, looking at charts, looking at data, and then drawing out all these strategies that you want to take your trade. And then even with all those strategies, the market can go against you also. But with what Royal Q does is the board will do the job for you, so you save a lot of time. Okay, type of quantitative transaction. In the field of digital currency, there are many types of quantitative transactions, such as cross-platform, brick moving, trend trading, and hedging transaction. Royal Q quantification is a kind of trend trading arbitrage. The digital currency is traded 24 hours, 7 days a week, and there are almost 63 coins that you can select to trade. Global investors participate in this transaction, so it's full of opportunity for investment arbitrage. Okay. Now, this, if you are new to crypto, let's just give you a background about cryptocurrency. The mother of crypto is Bitcoin, guys. Okay, Bitcoin was founded on January in January 2019. 2009. It has experienced countless ups and downs, guys. Okay, and now it has become a major popular investment target for major institutions such as Wall Street, Tesla. All these companies are getting involved in cryptocurrency, especially in Bitcoin. Okay, so this is something that, guys, that we like it or don't like it, crypto is here to stay. You know, all this thing about it's a bubble, it's going to burst. The bubble is already grown for 11 years, guys. Okay. Now, affected by epidemic, the world's economy and financial system is facing a major reshuffle. With its unique characteristic, digital currency will gradually replace gold and other general assets, and the era of blockchain is about to come through. Now, guys, when I tell you that it's going to replace gold, physical gold is always there to stay, but I'm talking about Bitcoin will be the digital gold. Cryptocurrency will be the digital assets that you can own. Okay, it's very simple, guys. In 2009 or 2010, if you will spend $100 and bought Bitcoin, today, guys, you are a multi-millionaire. Okay, that's it, simple as that. So that's how much you can see the growth of Bitcoin. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Now, where do quantitative benefits of digital currency come from? The benefits come from these three sides, guys. Okay, one is the capital, like companies like Grayscale, all the big fund companies. Then you have the institutional companies, which is like Tesla and all these people. And then you have the retail people. The retail people are we. We are retail buyers. Okay. So the market is basically these three groups are funding it, putting in more money inside. There's a lot of money in the sidelines to be earned. So with Royal Q, through strict strategies execution plus artificial intelligence, big data analysis to judge the market in a market with many retail investors, rationally earn the differences. So basically, guys, here we take money from all these sectors. Okay. Now, Royal Q team, introduction of the team, they are professional, they are focused, and they are determined to their project. Okay. Focus on the system. Okay. They have experience, their professional experience is 4 years experience in developing quantitative strategies, 6 years in blockchain, 3 years in exchange system, and the entire project of Royal Q is done in-house, guys. Okay. Now, very simple. The first step is, of course, you need to do your binding to your API, and then you have 63 types of cryptocurrencies that you can select to trade. And the best part, guys, there is no liquidation in spot transaction. That means in Royal Q, you will never wake up one morning and looking at your Binance account being zero or your Huobi account, because there is no liquidation, guys. See, normally in trading, whether it's Forex, whether it's stock market, if you buy here, you have a stop loss, you have a take profit. whether it's a trailing stop loss or take profit, but you have all that to secure your capital. But when it comes to Royal Q, guys, we don't have all that because the board is actually trading on spot transaction. And another way to say it is actually buying the coin itself. So you don't have to worry. As long as you hold the coin, no matter how much the price can go down, you only will lose one kind of loss, which is floating loss. Okay, you won't have actual losses, guys. Okay. Now, professional digital market research, the team have done enough research on the market to help you to select the right coins and everything. Okay. Now, Royal Q quantitative development of countries, as I told you before, it started in China in somewhere around 2017, 2018. But with the China now banning all crypto-based companies and all that, it came out of China. And now then it was introduced to someone in Malaysia, and from Malaysia we have taken it to Singapore, Thailand, and all the other countries, including India, Indonesia, Nigeria, Africa, name it, guys. We are almost everywhere today. Okay, so that's good. Congratulations to all the leaders who managed to take this product to a world stage. Now, how much can I earn with Royal Q quantification? So guys, you can make somewhere around 10 to 50% a month, guys. Okay, now every members here, your profit returns are different than each other. Two people would have bought at the same time, but their profit would be different because there is a bit of price differences and everything, right? But I've seen people, guys, with a lower capital made 20% in a day, and I've seen people with a bigger capital hardly also could make 1% a day. So why? Because simple, guys, it does not mean how much of capital you have. It means the strategies that you're using to make money. Okay, that's most important. So, like example, the guy who made 20% in a day, he selected the right coins on the right day. So basically, the coins were booming and he was just cashing in money. Thereby, the guy who had a big capital chose the wrong coins, and then the coins were slow in the market. So this question people ask me every time. So which coins shall I trade, people? So guys, very simple. If you are trading on quantitative, which I'll show you later, you need to make sure that in your portfolio, you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ADA. These three you have to have. The remaining, you can open any other coins you want. Because these three coins will give you very good profits, guys. Okay. Now, Royal Q quantifies pure profit before counts as commission. Now, guys, every single money that Royal Q makes for you on your Binance or your hobby, Royal Q will take a 20% commission from the profit. Meaning, like, if you made a $1 profit, then 20 cents of the profit will go to Royal Q. Okay. Now, Royal Q does not have access. The software does not have access to your board or to your the board. I mean, the Royal Q have no access to your board. Sorry, no access to your exchanger or to your funds in your exchanger. Okay, in Binance or Hobby. So how will Royal Q get its commission? So in the board, there is a segment where you have this, what they call it, there's a place in the board, there's a wallet system. So in the wallet, you need to keep a certain amount of money so that whenever a commission you need to take, you take from the software itself. Now, how much do you need to keep in the software? Very simple, guys. At that time, about 15 to 20 USDT is enough, okay? Don't keep a lot. Why? Because we can just top it up like a top-up system whenever you need to top up, okay? Now, Royal Q share to make money. So when you share this application with your friends and if they are interested, you get to earn some commissions and some very lucrative reward. But this one, guys, the next host will be sharing about this. Now, Royal Q Royal Q's team vision, okay, is to make trading easier, guys, is to return investment to life, give investor more peace of mind in quantitative financial management, okay? So guys, on this, on the introduction, we are done. Now let's go to the application itself. Now, just now our MC has shared something about the application. So now, guys, when you want to download your Royal Q application, you can download this from your Play Store or your iOS store. But if let's say you have, you're not sure of which one is it and everything, then my suggestion would always be you head down to their website. Their website is called Royal Qs. Okay, you can go down to their website here. You can see the website here, Royal Qs with the S. And you can go all the way below, guys, and you can click from here to download the application directly. Okay, so this way, if you're not sure, because there is counterfeit application people created under the name of Royal Q. So our advice is, if you want to download and if you're not sure which app to download, go down to the website and you can download it from here, guys. Okay, so the website is here. You can see it's Royal Qs, ROYALQS.com. Okay, so that's done with this. Just a second, guys. We will start with our session soon. Okay, guys, I hope now you can see my screen. Okay, so you can see two applications here, guys. We have the Royal Q application and we have the Binance application. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do now is I'm going to show you how do you download your application for your Royal Q. So you just have to go down to your Play Store. If iOS, you can go to iOS. You just have to type Royal Q. So you can see here, guys, this application Royal Q, this is the application that you need to use. Okay, you can just download this and you even can see a lot of reviews below. So you just have to click on download and you'll be able to download the application. Okay, so once you have downloaded the application, you have the application in your phone. You just have to open on the application. Okay, I will just log out from mine first. Okay, so what happens is if we want to, what they call it, register, you just have to go below here, guys. You'll be able to see register now. There's a button here that says register now. So you just have to click on register now. And then you click on select your location from where you are. And if your location is not here, then you can select others. Okay, there's others over here. Okay. So in my case here, I will select this to put Malaysia. You click on confirm, select an email, create a password, and then, guys, here you can click click this to get click the send button to get a verification code to your email, and then here is where you need to key in your referral code that was given by the person who introduced to you Royal Q or who invited you here today. Okay, then you just click on I agree to the terms and condition, and then you just have to click register now. Automatically the application will be registered. Okay, so once you have registered, what you need to do is stop share for a while. Let me just log in now, guys. So once you have registered, you just have to log in into your account, okay, into your Royal Q bot in order to do the following settings. Okay, so now let me share the screen back. Okay, so once you're logged in, guys, this is how your application will look. You have all these tools up here that you can use. So the first thing, guys, is you can see here you got your API binding, revenue detail, transactions, and invite friend. Okay, these are the few things. But now the first thing you need to do, guys, okay, when you already register for the application, is you need to head down to, you go down to mine down here. Can you see there's a button says mine? You go down to mine. Okay, guys. So once you have gone down to mine, what you need to do is clear, go to mine, and then you go to asset. You go to asset here, guys. Okay, my bot is already activated, but I'm just going to show you an example what you need to do. Because the first thing is you need to activate your Royal Q bot before even you do the API settings. Okay, guys, because initially before this you can do your API binding first and then you can activate your bot, but now it is compulsory to activate it first, then only you can do your binding. Okay, so what you need to do here is you click on asset. Okay, you click on asset, you'll be able to click this deposit button over here. Okay, when you click deposit, you get this address. So you copy this address and you need to send USDT. Sorry, you copy this address and you need to send USDT $100 to the Royal Q bot in order to activate it. This $1, guys, is a 1-year subscription fee. Okay, it's a 1-year subscription fee. Every year you just have to pay $100 in order to use the bot. But again, guys, plus I would recommend you to add on another USDT $20 at least in order to activate. So that means you are going to send USDT $120 to the Royal Q bot. Okay, let me explain to you what for what. So if when you send $120 to the bot, from here USDT $100 will be minus off for a yearly subscription. Okay, the balance $20, guys, is the commission that goes to Royal Q when it does a successful trade for you. Meaning, as I told you earlier, if you make $1 profit on Royal Q on your exchanger, the bot will minus 20% from here, from this money. So this will keep reducing. Okay, you can see, like example, you can see on my one here, you can see that the balance kept reducing. You can see all this is the fee that was charged for the trading, a 20% fee. Okay, so once you have already got your USDT $120 here, what you need to do is you need to go back to the front screen here on the mine. Guys, you see this yellow box here? So on a normal time, when you are new, it shows the word activate over here. You click on this. So let me show you. You click on this, it'll come out like this. This button here will say activate. So you just click on activate. So it will minus off USD $100 from your Royal Q bot. The balance, as I told you earlier, the balance of USD $20 will remain in your account so that when you start to trade, you can take its commissions from there. Okay, so that's done today. That's quite clear, guys. So you need to activate first, then only go for the API binding. Now let's go to do API binding. So you go back to home, okay, and then you go up here, guys. Second step. This step 2. Step 1 you already downloaded. Step 2 you already activated your Royal Q bot. Step 3 is you need to do your API binding. So you click on API binding here. Okay. You can see like my one is already binded, but I'll show you however. So you can bind Binance and Huobi. The best part, guys, is this. For your $100 1-year subscription, you can use this bot on 2 exchanges and make money, guys, simultaneously. Meaning at the same time, you can use a Binance and a Huobi, keep your capital over there and you can trade. Best part, guys, this to me, this is the cheapest bot in the market with the best tools that is there, okay, for you to use. Now you click on Binance. For example, I will show you on Binance. So what you need to do first, guys, normally when you come here, you won't be able to see all this. Sorry, you won't be able to see all this. Okay, it'll be empty. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to click on this copy button over here. Okay, copy this. Now let's go to our exchanger. So you go to Binance. Now in Binance, you need to go for more. Okay, you go to more, you click on more, you go all the way below, you'll be able to find API management here, guys. Okay, so you click on API management. Okay, all you need to do, you need to create an API. So in this case, I'm going to create an API. Let's see. So I put Royal Q. Okay, the name can be anything, guys, but if you put Royal Q, at least you can remember. Create API. So it will ask you to do your verification, guys. Okay, so you need to do your verification. So you click get code. So this one will take me at least a few seconds, guys. Because I think during a presentation, I deleted my settings. So this one comes up to 150999. This one comes to 1544. So once you have done that, guys, you'll be able to see your API key is below here. Okay. So what you need to do is, you first step, guys, is you need to click on this edit button over here. Okay. So what you do, you stop turn, you click on edit. Sorry. Then you click on this arrow down here. You go all the way below. You can see this. There is this thing here says restrict account to trusted IPs only. So you need to click on this, and then you paste those IPs that you copied just now here. Right? Sorry, guys. So then you click on confirm. Then you can see, guys, all the APIs that are used by the IPs used by Royal Q is already here. So other people manage to get access, they cannot access your account. Okay, the next step, guys, is once this is done, you go a bit up. You can see here, guys, that you can see here there's API restrictions. Okay, first one is correct. Second one, you need to enable it. So you enable the second one. Now remember this, guys, the remaining don't have to enable. Okay, all that you leave it as unchecked. You only check these two. Okay, because you allow the bot to read the market and allow the bot to trade. That's it. Okay, once this is done, you need to do what is, you just need to copy this code. Okay, copy this code, copy, go back to Royal Q, and you paste it over here. You paste it here in the API key section. Okay. Sorry, guys. I don't know what I'm saying. So, okay, you copy this secret key. Sorry, you copy the secret key, and then you go back here and you paste the secret key here at the secret key column. Sorry, here. Okay. Then what you do, you go back to your Royal Q. You click on this. Go back to your Binance. Click on the copy button over here. Okay, copy, go to here and you paste it here at the API key. Okay, you paste it here at the API key. Once that's done, okay, sorry, once that's done, you go up here and you click on save. They'll ask you to verify again. You just have to do this verification. Okay, now the API key is successfully done. So you go back to your Royal Q, and then here, guys, you can see a thing says that bind it. So you just have to click on bind, and the Royal Q bot is officially binded to your account. Okay, so once that's done, so now the first third step, which is to bind, already done already. Now let's go and see. You can see once it's binded, you can see that this will be orange color. You even can do it for hobby, but I don't have hobby account, so I can't show you an example. I'm sure you'll be able to find some YouTube videos online on YouTube to see whether how to do an API binding for hobby. Okay. Okay. Then once you come back to the main screen, guys, you're already ready to start trading. Okay. Now to start trading, all you need to do is you have two options over here for trading, guys. Okay. The first option is you have quantitative, and then the second option you have circle. Now, for those of you who are very new to crypto, if you don't have much experience in cryptocurrency trading, my advice is go for circle trade. Circle trade is also known as copy trade. That means you copy some traders, okay? Or if you have experience in crypto, then you can go for quantitative trade, okay? Now, I'm going to show you an example first. We go to the copy trade. So I click on this circle. I can select any of the traders that I would like to follow. Okay. For example, let's say we take Bull King. For example, let's say we take Crypto Bull. Crypto. Okay. So here what happens is you can click on the once you come here, you'll be able to see there's a word here says apply to join. So you click on the apply. I've already applied to join already. You click on the apply to join. Then what you need to do is you need to click on this percentage over here. Okay, you click on the percentage over here. So once you click on this percentage over here, it will show you the coins that this trader has been trading. Okay, guys, this trader has made a profit of 4,763% trading on Royal Q. That's superb, right? So you just need to follow that. Okay. So now what you need to do is you have to go down here and you click on sync strategy. Okay, you click on sync strategy. So click on sync strategy. Now here, guys, you can select your first buying amount and the number of coins you would like to follow. And remember, this profit sharing of 1.5% goes to this trader, guys. So example, just now I told you, if you make $1 profit, I told you earlier that 20% of the profit goes to the Royal Q. Now 1.5% will go here and balance 1.5. 79.5, 78.5, I think, yeah, will go to you. Okay, that's your profit. So here, guys, it's very simple. You can select, for example, if my capital is $100, here I can select, maybe I can put $10 and I can follow one coin. If my capital in Binance is $100. But if my capital is $1,000, then I can select maybe 5 coins and I can put, if my capital is $1,000, then maybe I can put $20 here and I can select up to 5 coins for trading. So it uses $100 to open this position, and the remaining $900, it keeps in your account for drawback. In case the price go down, it will do dollar cost average by buying the lower price. Okay, guys. So that's simple. Once you put in, for example, let me try. I put in $10. I'm going to follow this one coin just to show you an example. So once this is done, I just have to click on sync strategy. Okay. So I click on sync strategy. Now my trade for copy trade is already activated. If I go to my home screen, you can see that the Royal Q bot have just purchased this XRP. Okay, this bot. You can see the word here, sync strategy, and the system is cycling, and this is for XRP, guys. Okay, that's the best part about here. Now, the best thing about this Royal Q bot, once it's already done, you just have to sit back and rest, and the trades will happen. You see here, guys, this account had 99 trades. Okay. You can see 99 trades. 99 trades going on. So I didn't even open it. So guys, it's just going on it itself. Okay, and that can see even now my XRP is already on blue color, means profit. That's now it's on profit. Hopefully, before we finish the presentation, we can see that if any of these trades would have made profit. Okay. Now that is how to do copy trade, guys. Okay. Now, in order for you to do quantitative trade, if you have experience in crypto, you want to do your own trade, then you can go to quantitative trade. Quantitative trade is very easy. You just click on quantitative. You have a list of coins that you can select that you want to trade. Okay. So today's example, let's take a coin that I've not traded for some time, and we will trade that coin. Let's go for sorry guys, okay, let's go for ATC. Okay, now ATC is a coin, right? So we're going to trade this coin today. I'm going to show you how to trade this coin. So the first step is, guys, you need to go select the coin, then you go to trade settings below here. You can see the word called trade settings. So you just have to go to trade settings. Okay, you go to trade settings. Now, here, you can select, number one, guys, is the amount that you want to buy this coin for, opening price, okay? So here in our example today, I'm going to use $25 for this position. Next, guys, is you can select whether you want to open for double position. Normally, I don't use this, not asked to use this, because if I wanted to do double position, I will just open at $50 straight away, correct? So that's the thing. Now, my number of margin call is 7. Whole position take profit, I'm going to put at 1.3. I'll leave it to the standard. And then whole position profit callback 0.3. Okay. Let me explain to you what is these two first, guys. Okay, these two things here. Now, for example, you bought here, price is going up. The minute the price hits at 1.3%, Royal Q board will be ready to take profit when there's a callback of 0.3%. So there's a callback of 0.3%, the board will close the trade. That means your net profit will be 1%. Okay, so this is what it means over here. Okay, now buy-in callback, it's basically to buy in the slippage. Okay, and then you have distributor and take profit allocation. All these I'll explain to you in a while time. Let's go to the margin call limit. Okay, margin call limit here you can see is 7, guys. Okay, so what is this? So to do this configuration, we can go to here, margin configuration. Okay, so you go to margin configuration, you can do your configuration here. Now, what is this, guys? Okay, let me explain to you. Now, let's say you bought the coin price here, expecting it to go up. Okay, but it didn't go up, but it went down. When the price goes down by 3.5%, Royal Q board will be ready to buy again the same coin for 2 times the volume. That means earlier I opened for $25. Now here it will use $50 to open this position. So it does a dollar cost averaging for you. Now, when this purchase already, my entry is no more up here. It's no more here, but it could be somewhere here. Okay. Then let's say if the price traveled down some more and went down another 4%, Royal Q board will use another $100 to buy the coin 4 times, yeah, the same coin. Now my entry price is here and no longer here, here, or here. Meaning, guys, when the market recovers from here, let me change this color. Okay, when the market recovers from here, I don't have to wait all the way up here to start making profit. But from here onwards, the account is already making profit. Okay, so this is what it means about this part of the thing. So they have 7 calls. Normally, what I will do is I will group most of first. We will change this to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 16, and 21. Now, on this side, sorry guys. Okay, I might do again. Now, only change this one. This one don't change, guys, but this one is already done by market research, so you don't have to change this, okay? You only change this side, okay? 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 16, 21. Confirm. Now, once that's done, meaning now you understand what is it that, so then you can start to save your trade. Okay, you can save your trade up here. You can see here, save it, and then you just have to click on start. Start. Let's say start. Confirm. So now what happened here, guys, is if I go back to home, you can see that my ETC trade is already open. Sorry, ETC trade is already open. Okay. Now let's go back to the trade to see the settings. Now you can see here, guys, there's a word says cycle over here. Cycle means whenever the board purchases a trade, okay, closes with a profit, buys again. Closes with a profit, it buys again. Closes with a profit, it buys again. Until if I want to stop to buy this coin, I need to go click on one shot. If I click on one shot, what happens now you can see is the one shot word went here and the cycle word came here. Now what happens when it makes profit the last round, it will not buy back again until we instruct it to buy again, okay? And then you have the sell button. In case if you want to manually sell the trade, you can click on sell. Okay, you can click on sell, you can put on market price 100% and you can sell all the coins off. But please always be aware of this part here, guys. You must see that this is in positive, it cannot be in negative. If it's in negative, you will have actual losses, okay? I'm not going to go too detail on it, guys, because if you want detail, you can always get it from So I've mistakenly sold the trade. Okay, now I know what it is. Okay, then you can see the buy button here is to buy the trade. Okay, if you want to buy a trade, you want to add on capital in your trade, and then you have your stop margin call, which is, remember, that's not the margin settings we had here. Let's say the call is going below, market is dumping, and you want to stop after this, you don't want to continue using your USDT to buy positions, then you just need to click on, then you just have to click on stop margin call. And strategy mode here, guys, is very simple. You have a few strategy modes I can show you. You have 3 strategy modes, which is whole warehouse, sub-bin mode, and sun. Now, this is very simple. On your margin call, when you are on your 5th call, and whatever coins purchased that time, you can choose if you don't want to wait for the whole trade to close, and you want to play just the below, you want to sell when it's on profit, you can go for sub-bin mode or sub-bin real time. The differences between these two, this one and this one, is just the settlement of the fees. Okay, guys, it's just the settlement of the fees. So that's not nothing to worry about. So guys, this is basically on Royal Q Trading Board. Now, just if you go up here, you can see that you can, the voting is no more there. Before this, you could vote which coin you want. Guys, if you have any problems, you can always contact the go to Royal Q feedback over here, and you can contact the administrator by giving them what's your problem, and they will reply you normally within 10-15 minutes. Okay. Now, guys, this is basically how simple it is to use Royal Q Trading Board. Okay, and you can click on here to see transactions and transaction records, guys. Okay, so that is for the board. Before we open for Q&A, guys, let me just explain to you one thing. 2 things. The first one, if you go to Telegram, okay, if you go to Telegram, you can see that Royal Q Info, this is our official group, guys. You can join this group to get any questions of yours answered. Is AI_RoyalQ_info. And then, guys, if you want to get these videos and everything, you can go to YouTube. You search for Deepak Ramji. Okay, you can click on my channel over here, and here you can be able to see the videos and all the settings that you require for your API binding. Now, don't forget, guys, when you are here, don't forget to click on this subscription and on this bell, okay? Because then you'll be able to get all the updates of my new videos on Royal Q. Okay, guys? With that, I will pass back to the host. I'll be open for Q&A. Host, are you around?
Yes, I'm in here.
Okay, bro. So let's open back for Q&A.
Okay, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch Deepak video. This is a must, because at the end of the day, you can repeat again whatever you have learned. He already done a lot of videos over inside his own channel. Take your own time, sit down and watch it again and again till you absorb, or maybe you can just comment in his channel. So right now we shall open on the questions. Okay, let's see. Select on random. Let me see. Okay. Shall we get Mr. Daniel Omos Ora Tokhai? I shall unmute you. Okay, Mr. Daniel Omos, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Thank you so much for a beautiful presentation. Thank you so much for the beautiful presentation. So what I wanted to ask, can we bind the API of Binance and the Hulu together to our Royal Q?
Pardon, again?
I can answer. I understand what his question.
Yes.
So basically, for once you have activated your Royal queue, you can bind in both of your account, which is 4B and also Binance. Okay. So you need to take note of the processes wise for 4B, because myself, I don't know how to use inside 4B, how to bind it. But then again, you go to the Royal Q app itself, there's a quantitative course. You click on that particular, there's a video over there for you to find out on the processes slide. Or another way is you can go to YouTube, find out on the process slide on how to bind your API to your Royal Q. So I hope that answers your question. Mr. Daniel, does that answer your question?
Unmute him again, bro. He muted again.
Okay, wait, I go. Ask to unmute. Mr. Daniel, can you unmute yourself? I already unmute you already.
Okay, yes, you answered the question. Thank you very much.
All right, no problem. I said I shall mute. Yeah.
Take this. Wasia Abilo doesn't banyak kali dia katakan.
Wasia the first one. Wasio Abiola. Okay. Okay, Wasio Abiola. Your question, please.
Yeah. Well done, guys, for this great presentation. My question here is trying to get some clarification for the group in my team on where the profit they make, where they are going to get it. So I just want you to, if possible, them are on this call, so they will be seeing it. If possible, demonstrate to me. Once I've set my trading and I made some profit, and I can see that in my Royal Q revenue, then if I go to Binance, where would that profit be? Is that going to be in a separate wallet, or is going to be an addition to the volume of the USDT that I already have? Thank you.
Okay, it will be reflected in your Binance. Okay, the main thing, like what Deepak had explained just now, the money that you get for your profits, it will not go inside your Royal Q. It will straight away go to your Binance. It will become USDT. But then again, when your coin is on cycle, what will happen is that they will buy, they will sell, then they will repeat. So which means they buy for you the particular coin, they sell to get you profits of USDT, it will goes to your Binance. Then it will repeat. Repeat means it will buy for you another coin. So whatever that you specify in terms of that particular buy-in, it will still be on that particular value of the USDT. So your profit is still inside your Binance. Does that answer your question, my brother?
That's exactly. Thank you so much.
Yes. Okay, we shall let's ask Mr. Abdul Rahman, please. Over to you, Mr. Rahman.
So Abdul Rahman, you can unmute.
Mr. Abdul Rahman, you can unmute yourself. I already clicked already. Okay, Mr. Abdul Rahman. Okay, if he's not available, let's try Ikina Okonkwa. Sorry if I mispronounce it. Okay, Ikina Okonkwa. Okongwa. Sorry, man.
Yes. Good afternoon, Mr. Zimha and Deepak.
Yes.
Afternoon.
Thank you for the presentation. Please, I have a question to ask.
Yes.
If you are trading and you go out of network, does Royal Q still convert profit for you out of network?
Yes. Still converts for you, because once you already set it, it will automatically work with or without network for you.
Okay, because the thing came to my mind yesterday. I wanted to confirm if it converts. Thank you for your response.
So basically, just to add on, it is in cloud-based. So whether you have network, no network, or airplane mode, it will still get for you that profits.
Most important, your exchanger have to be on live lah. If your exchanger is on maintenance, and then you don't get the profit.
Yes, correct. Okay, let's try some other questions. You give me a while. Okay, no problem. Okay, there's this Mr. Evangelist. Okay, let's try Mr. Evangelist. Over to you. What's your question? Yeah.
Yes, my question is this, is that, hello, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, Ken. Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes, my question is this, is that the amount of the money to start? Is it by force? It must be 120 USDT.
Yes.
Correct. So basically, to start this particular robot, you need 100 USDT. It will be for your this will be for your activation of your robot. Okay. So the next thing that you need to know is that 20 USDT is for your fuel fee. So every time, every single sell trade, it will minus off from your 20 USDT. Okay, so it will have a small fraction of it. So what you need to prepare for yourself normally, like for me, right, I will always tell to my members, you need a total of 220 USDT. 100 USDT will be for your capital. 100 USDT is for your queue to activate. 20 USD is for your fuel fee. Total up is 220 USD that you need. Yeah, I hope that answer your question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Let's try Kingsley Fonjong. Okay, I shall unmute you. Your question, please.
Thank you, sir. I
Yeah,
enjoyed the
Kingsley.
presentation.
Thank you.
I wish to add concerning what my brother just asked. If you continue with the 120 US dollars after you engage with the trading, can you still add the amount?
Yes, you are talking about you add in the amount in terms of your fuel fee, is it?
Yes, you have the
Yes.
fuel fee, which is
Okay, the thing about this particular fuel fee, if let's say you are going to pump in a lot of capital, okay, let's say you're going to pump in 10,000 capital, and if you are going to get 1,000 USD of profit, with the 20 USD, it's not enough. So you see a 1,000 USD of profit, 20% will goes to your fuel fee. So you take 20% times 1,000, you need to pay up to 200. So in your current, if let's say you are questioning me in terms of that particular 20 USD, right, it is not sufficient. So what happened is that when your profit is huge, and then your this particular your profits is big, huge, right? So what will happen is that your robot will cut off. So at the end of the day, you need to top up more money inside your under your Royal Q asset wallet. Does that answer your question, my brother?
Unmute dia balik, bro.
Mana nama dia? Aku dah lupa pula. I forgot his name, sir. Sorry, my dear brother. Okay, let's try see. Okay, Mr. Joros Dempasa.
Last question, bro.
Yang apa? Last two question.
Last two questions, yes.
Okay, can. Okay, we take Mrs. Shi. Mrs. Shi. Okay, Mr. Shi, your question, please.
Mr. Shi.
Mr. Shi. Mr. Shi, are you there? Already unmute yourself?
Yes. Yeah, yes. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's afternoon here.
Yes, it's afternoon. Time, yeah. Afternoon.
Yes, I am from Nigeria.
Yes.
My question is, does the robot move the money from Binance for the trade? That is the money the robot will trade with.
It doesn't move your money. It won't move your money, but it will use your money to trade in Binance itself.
I don't get that.
Okay, I shall explain. First of all, your Binance wallet, right? It is over inside your spot wallet. Okay, this one you understand? Okay.
Yes.
What the Royal Q does is like services. So what they do is they take some of your USDT, they buy for you the coin. So when they buy for you the coin, it is reflected over at your Binance. So the coin is there. So you are using this Royal Q as a service. So they will buy for you, they will sell for you. When they sell, they give you the profits. It will go to your Binance. Everything will go to your Binance. Purchasing of new coins will go to your Binance. Selling of your getting profits will also go to your Binance.
Okay, but at the point of trading, for example, if it's $10 now, at the point of trading, will the 10,000 still be in the Binance or with the robot?
It will still be inside your Binance.
Okay, that's a very good one.
Yeah. So what you can do, if you want to monitor, the best is you start that particular Royal Q robot, then you see at your Binance. You will see that
Okay.
particular coin over there.
Yes, yes. It's
Okay.
yeah, I always see it. But and
Yes,
then
good.
secondly, please, the last question.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. In a situation where one have say $120 in the Binance for a coin, and then the market, the robot now buys more coin for that day, and eventually the fund in the Binance is not up to the number of coin the robot wants to, and then I begin to get messages like I have insufficient fund. Will it affect the trading for that day to affect my profits?
Okay, the thing is you need to understand when you start your trade settings, you need to understand. That is where, okay, the topic for today is called money management. You need to understand, okay, your trade settings. When you do martingale strategy, when you put over there, for example, the times, right, on the right-hand side, they will say buy in time something, right? So you need to calculate. You calculate your own self, whether it's sufficient for you or not. If let's say it's the money-wise is not sufficient, then do not use in terms of a lot of coin. Some people, what they do is they run 10 coins, but inside their USDT is about, for example, they only got 100. But then in terms of martingale strategy, it's not enough. So before you do anything, understand that particular martingale strategy, how much is your money that you need. If you can do in terms of Excel, so that you know that how much money that you need per coin.
Okay, yes, I understand this one now. But my challenge is there's an error. There's an error now that is affecting. Will it affect the trade?
Yeah, okay, bro. It's like this. When your balance of your fuel is below $2, the bot will stop working. So it won't affect your trade, but it will not close the trade for you. So you will need to top up for it to continue. It's just like your car. Now you're driving your car somewhere and then you have no petrol. The car stops, right? It won't move. And then when you buy petrol, you pour it and then it starts working as normal, right? It's the same, guys. Same, bro.
No, it's not. I'm not talking about the fuel now. I'm talking about the amount in the Binance. For example, if the settings goes for like 10 and then it buys more coin and there's no enough coin
USDT.
for it to trade with.
No problem. It won't affect. It will just stay that way. It won't affect. It won't buy again anymore. That means there's no buying anymore. You just wait until the market recovers the coin.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you.
Okay. We will have one more last question. Okay, let's try. Crypto Badass. Okay, Crypto Badass, stand by. Okay, Crypto Badass, I already unmute you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you.
The question is the strategy for this martingale system is that as we are going down, we are buying and then we are selling for every time we go up. Can you hear me?
No, I can't hear you that well. It's a bit distorted.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you better now.
Okay. So I said the strategy for this martingale system is that every time we go down, because I was watching the strategy that it said that if we go down by 1.3, if we go up by 1.3 and then we go down by 0.3, then we're going to sell and take our profit. My question here is that what if we have like a correcting market where everything is just going down, like we had for the bear market of 2018? What will happen in that point when there's no actually a time for the market to actually recover, even if it's just by 1%? Everybody is just selling.
You can repeat that particular last two phrases. You were talking about it is a bearish market. Then after that, what else do you say?
Yes, in a bearish market where everybody is just selling. How does the bot now have to make profit? Because we're going to definitely have to make profit, not go up a little bit. So how is the bot going to make profit for everybody selling?
Okay, the thing about this particular bearish market, that is why VoyaQ, they have this particular function is called subsell mode. So if let's say you know that it's going to be a bearish market, what I can suggest you increase the particular martingale strategy of not only 7, but maybe you put it about 12 or 14. So if it hits up to 14 martingale strategy over there, you can get your subsell. So what is subsell all about? They get for you a small percentage of profits. So you still get profits. Although it is at your 14 martingale or maybe 13 or 12, in between from 5th all the way to 14, you get your money from your profits over there. So the only way to profit in terms of bearish market, as much as possible, do not put in a lot of money in terms of your buy-in. So this is where your money management kicks in. So if you know that this is already a bearish market, you put more of your martingale strategy in terms of in terms of 7 or more layers in order for you to hit the subsell mode. So subsell mode will give you profits, but then you need to take note there are two modes of subsell. So one of it is to it will straight away give you profits straight away to your Binance. That is the number 2. So the number 3 one is subsell settlement mode. That one will be reflected inside your revenue, inside your royal queue. So if like what you have questioned just now, you say if since it is a bearish market, so the only way to get you profits, the best way to me is using your subsell mode, having a more of martingale strategy, more levels of the martingale strategy, and try to put as your buy-in a little bit lower lah. Don't put it as like 100 or 1,000. So at the end of the day, we want it to hit in terms of all the subsells for that particular martingale strategy. So CryptoBS, does that answer your question?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, bro.
Okay, we shall do in terms of the lucky draw. Wait, let me share my screen. Give me a while.
Yes.
Let me share my screen. Okay, give me a while. So let's start. Okay, Mr. Deepak, over to you. Just say spin, right, brother?
Spin.
Ten, 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 ten. Lucky wheel. Come on. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, the first winner, 22 Interactive. Okay, later at the end of this one, you need to Telegram with me. Okay, wait, let me show my Telegram page so that you can message me later. So you are the winner. Congratulations. Okay, now, okay, you can message me inside there, Master Zemo. Okay, so just message me only. Later I will PM with you. All right. So without further ado, guys. Okay, we are going. Okay, Mr. Kingas, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, without further ado, we have one of our most talented person over here in terms of the marketing, in terms of the strategy. By all, it will be my great pleasure, Mr. Kingas. Over to you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Hazin. Good night, good evening, good afternoon, everybody from all over the world. I think you guys are happy with Royal Q apps right now. I think you guys make profit every day while you sleep, while you do whatever you do. The profit flow like a water into your Huobi or Binance, guys. You know, this is one of the best tools to help a lot of people around the globe, right? Either they are newbies, they are new to cryptocurrency, they are new to trading, and this app already helped hundreds of thousands of people to make money on autopilot, right? That's the most important part in RoyQ, right? The most important part, this RoyQ app will help a lot of people make money on autopilot, okay? And then when you start making money, I believe you are so happy, right? Now you are make money every day, every single hour, every single minute. You are so happy with your result. What you need to do is you need to share with your friend. Yeah, you want them to make a lot of profit too. You want them to make money from home, right? Now we are still pandemic in Malaysia. Yeah, we still stay at home, right? But when we stay at home, we spend most of our time in our smartphone, right? What you need to do to make your phone more smarter by installing these Royal 2 apps and Huobi or Binance, right? And you need to help a lot of people make money on autopilot using these Royal 2 apps, right? But as you know, right, when you start sharing with your friend, you will get a lot of money. You will get a lot of affiliate income through this, right? How much can you make, right? As you know, until today, there are people make hundreds of thousands of dollars. There are people make thousands of dollars every single day. Okay, you need to know how can you earn this money? What is the requirement? Okay, what you need to do? what you need to do to earn more money by helping more people make profit on autopilot, right? Okay, I would like to show you, this is a second income from Royal Q, where you can do it instantly, right? Instantly by sharing with your friend. Okay, first of all, I need to show you where you want to get information. Where you want to get information about the information, what is the requirement, okay? What is the requirement for you, what you need to do in this app, okay? As you can see in this app, right, there's a menu button at the bottom, home, 25, circle, news, and mine. You can click mine here, okay? You can either go to these two menu, okay? Let me show you. Okay, these two menu here, okay? You can either go to member set, or you can either go to the member center, right? Let me show you. Okay, or you can click the VIP. Both are the same, okay? If you go to the member center, okay, go to the member center, you will go to this site. Okay, this is all the information. The good thing is about Royal Q is they have all the information in one app. Okay, maybe you are not aware of it. I need to show you where you can get all the information about the requirement, about the how much can you earn from the affiliate platform. Okay, first of all, everybody who joined the Royal Q, they can register for free. Right? Everybody can register for free, right? But in order for you to start earning commission, you need to become a VIP members, guys. To become a VIP members, you only need to start with USD $100. That's $100, right? $100 only. Okay, that's the only package that Royal Q have. I think with $100, everybody can afford. Everybody can afford to start a business or start the affiliate platform. Even you don't know how to trade, you can start to promote Royal Q apps, right? With only $100, I think it's affordable in most of the country, okay? When you start with $100, okay, you will start earning direct referral of 30%. Okay, 30%, guys. That means easy. $100, 30% is $30, right? Just imagine every person that you refer to, you will earn $30, guys. You earn $30. How many people you want to share about the royalty? The more people you share, the more you can earn, right? Because this $100 is for 1 year. That means if they're happy with Roy Q app, they will renew next year, you will earn again. But by the time next year, your rank will be different, right? So $30 is a lot of money, right? On top of that, you will also earn a recurring income from their profits. Yes, the more profit they make, the more you can earn. Okay, you will earn another 20% from their profit. Okay, let me show the calculation how this 20%, how this is 20% works. Okay, for example, if your friend earn a profit of $100, right? Okay, $100, right? $100. Okay. Royalty will charge them the 20%. I think Mr. Deepak already explained to you the 20%, right? That means royalty will charge $20. On top of that, you will earn the 20%, 20% from the $20. That means you earn another $4, $400 profit. But you don't have to worry. They don't have to wait until $100. Whatever profit they make, the royalty will charge the gas fee or fuel fee, and from the fuel fee, you will earn another 20%. If they earn $100, you earn $4. It's easy to calculate. Right? That's why I choose $100. Just imagine you have hundreds of people in your team who make profit every single day, every single hour, every single minute. They will pay you instantly for the team reward. They don't wait. They don't do the calculation from the first of the month until end of the month and the first week. They pay you instantly, guys. That's the most important part. Instantly, because why? People make profit every single minute, every single second, every hours. You will get paid instantly. That's the good thing about OAQ. Right? The more people you have, the more people will make profit. Okay, if you know how to do the setup, okay, if you don't know how to trade, you can do a copy trade. You still can make profit. You don't have to worry. We have a lot of good traders in the Royal Q. As long as they make profit, OAQ will pay you when they make profit. The minute they make profit, they pay you instantly. That's the good thing in OAQ, guys, okay? Of course, when you are happy, you refer your friend and your friend will do the same. Everybody wants to help more people become happy, right? When they make profit, they are happy. Who are here sad when they make profit every day, right? Of course. We have created more happy people every single day right now. Even they are pandemic, even they have to stay at home, but they can make money from home, from their smartphone. They make money every hours, every minute, every second, guys. Okay? Once you become a V1, you are happy with your income, you want to help more people. The more people you have, the more reward you will earn. Okay? The next thing what you need to do is you will become V2. Okay, how to become a V2? What is the requirement? What do you need to do to become a V2, right? In order for you to become a V2, you need to refer at least 3 direct referrals. Do you think you have 3 friends, 3 family members, 3 neighbors who want to make profit from home? Who will benefit when they can make extra income every hour, every minute, or every second? Only 3, right? When you have 3 of your friends and you have 20 team members, right? Or maybe you can refer directly 20 people, right? You want to make more people happy? You can have more than 20 friends. I think you have more than 20 friends in your phone, in your social media, in your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, whatever social media. You have more than 20 friends, right? So you can refer at least 3 people, okay? That means what you need to do is, if you, this is you, okay? You only need to refer 3 people, right? And you have a tip of 20, right? Or maybe you can refer direct 20, you will go to the next rank. Okay, this is the secret of Royal Q. The next rank is where the money is start to grow bigger and bigger, right? When you become a V2, okay, the only thing you need to do in Royal Q, you need to become a V2 as fast as possible, and you need to duplicate V2 as fast as possible. That's the most important part. That's the secret in OIQ. That's the secret how people can make more money faster in OIQ, right? When you become a V2, right? V2, right? Now you are V2, okay? V2, right? Okay? Your commission increase another 10%. You make 40% or $40. Easy to calculate, right? Your tip reward increased to 30%. They increased another 10 more percent by bringing 3 direct results, and you have 20 in your tip, or maybe you have 20 people directly with you, you become a V2. What is the benefit of V2? This is where the money starts. This is where the money starts to grow bigger. Okay, when you become a V2, right? Remember, you are becoming a V2. Of course, when you refer your friend, right? You will earn $40, guys. From $30 to $40, right? Additional $10 will be more significant to you, right? This is on your effort. Of course, when A is happy, right? He make profit every day, every single minute, every single hour. Of course, he want to share with his friend, right? Okay, if A refer to his friend, he will happily make $30. You, as the one who introduced A and helping A to introduce B, will earn another $10, guys. Just imagine if A introduced 10 people, you make another $100 from 8 groups. On top of that, when B is make profit, A will earn 20%, okay? Because he just a B1, okay? You also will earn another 10% from their trading, guys. This is the recurring income where you can earn every single hours, every single minute, and every single second, right? Because the trading market is 24/7, guys. The market's never sleeping, right? The more people that A introduce, okay, the bigger you will earn. Just imagine from the trade alone, right? From the trade alone, you add another 10%. Of course, that's the good thing in Royal Q, okay? The most important part, in order for you to go to the next rank V3, okay, this is the best thing about Royal Q, guys. This is what I like about Royal Q. I need to help my team to be a same rank like me, okay? If I am a V2, okay, I need to have at least 3 V2 in my team, right? 3 V2, right? 3 V2, right? 3 V2 in my team, right? That's the good thing. In order to go to the next rank, you need to help your team to grow, to be a same rank like you. Yes, that's why you cannot do this alone. You need to have a lot of more people, right? Okay, and you need to have 5 users. What does this mean? Do you need to add another 5? No. When you have 3 in the beginning, you need to add another 2. If you can do 3, why not you do another 2? And this is your total 5 on your direct referral. This is what you need to do, right? You need to have 5 direct users. Okay, make sure they activate their RoyQ apps. If the just register for free is not qualified. Okay, and you have at least 3 of your direct referral or 3 different groups to achieve rank of V2, and you need to have hundreds in your team. What does that mean? Even though you have 3 V2, if V2 only have 20 people, you need to have a group of 100 activate members in your team. It's a team. It's a team effort, guys. It's not your own alone. It's team effort, right? The more people you have, the faster it will grow. Okay. Then when you have this requirement, when you have 5 direct users, you have 3 people who rank up to V2, and you have hundreds in your team, you go to the next rank, V3. Okay. What happened when you go to next rank? This is the most interesting part. When you become a V3, your commission increased to 50%, guys. Just imagine, 50% commission. And your trading reward increased to another 40%, increase another 10%, right? Okay, you are V3 right now. You are V3. You are so excited, right? You want to help more people. You want to help more people make money from home. You want to make people, you want to help more people to earn a profit on autopilot, right? Okay, when you refer your friend, okay, you earn $50, guys. This is a lot of money, guys. $50, 50%. Okay, for selling an ad for $100, you earn $50. I think this is a lot of money, right? Okay, when A are so happy, he will do the same. He for his friend B, he make $30. Because of A, refer B, you make $20. Just imagine if A brings 10 of their friends, you make $200, guys. If he brings 20, you make $400, right? But it's not only that. Of course, when everybody trades, they make profit. When they make profit, the AQ will charge the 20%, and A will earn another 20% from the trading, and you will earn another 20% rest. It's the same reward, right? Just imagine if people can trade more in a day. I will show you how many trades you can make in a day, right? All right. Okay, but remember, in Royal Q, you need to have your team to be the same rank that you to go to the next rank. Okay, everybody will ask, if I'm a V3, I had my friend become V3, what do I earn? Royal Q give a peers award on their trading. Just imagine every V3 will have 100 people in their team, right? 100 people in their team. You just imagine you earn another 5% from their tradings, guys, from the tradings, right? Just imagine if you're 100 people in their team, this is 100 people, they do a trade, you earn another 5% from their profit. This is a recurring income, guys. It won't stop, guys. The more people make profit, they will trade more, right? You still earn another 5%. You don't have to worry by helping your friend to be the same rank like you, because that's the good thing in RoyQ. In order for you to go further, you need to help your friend to be the same rank like you. Okay, we need to help each other, right? So what is the requirement for you to become a V4? You need to have 8 direct users. Just now you have 5, you need to plus another 3, you have all your direct user, and you have at least 3 V3 and 300 in your team. Most people will ask, how can I have 300 people? Don't worry, because when you are V3, okay, you have 3 V3 in your team, right? Because every V3 will bring 100 people in their teams, right? 100 people. So you don't have to worry about the team, right? Because every V3 will bring 100 people in their team. So you don't have to worry about the team. You need to develop more leaders. Yes, it's very easy, right? The more people you have, the more people happy, the more people will make profit, the more you can earn from their trading. Trading is recurring income every single minute, every single second, every single hour, guys. All right? Okay. When you have this requirement, you go to the next rank, V4. Okay, what happened when you become a V4? This is where I am right now, right? When you become a V4, your commission increase another 10 more percent. Your tip reward increase another 50%, guys. This is huge, yes. This is huge. Okay. You are V4 right now, right? When you are V4, okay, you refer your friend A, you make $60. Yes. When your friend refer his friend, he make $30, you make $30. The more people you have, the more you will earn, right? From the trading, A will earn 20%. But because of you qualify of 50%, you earn more, 30%, guys. On the trade is recurring income. Trade will be pay you instantly. The moment they close the trade, they get paid instantly. That's the good thing in Roy. They don't wait and they close, they pay you instantly. That's what you want, guys. Okay, that's what you want, right? Yeah. And when you have your friend to become a V4, when they are V4, just imagine every V4 have 300 in their team. You will earn another 5% on their trading. Yeah, 300 people, guys. In order for you to go to the next rank, you need to have 3 V4. That means 300 times 3, you have 900 people that you will earn another 5%. Guys, the requirement is only 800, guys. You need to have your friend to become a V4. You will be overqualified by having more V4, right? But the more people you have, the more profit you will make, because the more people will make profit, the more you will earn, okay? So the next rank is V5, yes. This is all the requirement. Now you have 8, you need to plus another 4, you have 12 direct users, you can have 3 people in your teams. From the V3, they want to become a V4, 800 in your team. You don't have to worry about the team because every V4 will be 300. You have 3 V4, you have 900 in your team. You don't have to worry about the team members, right? Okay. What happened when you become a V5? Yes. When you become a V5, your commission increase to 65%. Your team reward increase to 55%. That's the good things. Right? The more people you have, the higher rank you are, the bigger your commission is. Okay. This is you a V5, right? Dear V5, you refer your friend. Okay, you must be happy, right? Helping more people make money, you will earn $65, right? When A refer his friend B, he make $30. You make more. You make $35. Yes. The more people you have, the more money you make. A will make 20%. You will make 35% on the trading. Yes. This is huge, guys. The more people you have, the more people happy, the more you will earn. Right? That's a good thing about Q. How many people you want to have in your country? How many people? How many of your friends you want to change their life? Yes. That's a good thing, right? And when you have become V5, right? You, in order to go for the next rank, you need to have a 3 V5. When you have 3 V5, yes, okay, V5, okay, you don't have to worry, you still earn another 5% reward from their team. Just imagine every V5 have 800 people in their teams, but you have 3 V5, you have 2,400 people trade. Yes, 2,400 people trade. You will earn another 5%. Don't worry, guys. The more people you have, you don't have to worry. You need to help your friends. You will go to the highest rank. It's nobody is V6 yet. We have a lot of people at V5 right now, right? We want to see who are the first V6 in Roy Q. The good things when you become a V6, this is where the magic is, guys. This is where the magic is. When you become V6, your commission increase $70, guys. Your team reward increase to 60%, right? You are V6 right now, right? When you are happy to grow 1,500 people, why don't you have more people when you are V6? When you are V6, you refer your friend, you make $70, guys. $70. That's a lot of money, right? Roy Q pay you up to 70% on their referral. When your friend A refer his friend B, he make $30, but you make $40. Just imagine that. The highest rank you are, the more people you have, the more you can earn. On the trading, A will earn 20%, you will earn 40%. You earn more, you will earn double from the trade. Trade is a recurring income. That's a good thing, right? When you have a V6 in your teams, when you have your friend to become V6, you will earn another PS award, another 5%. Yes, that's a good thing, Roy Q. Just imagine VC have 1,500 people in their team. You earn another 5% from their trades, yes? On top of that, this is a good thing. Royal Q is a global dividend. This is what we are waiting for, guys. The more people you build, the more people I build, your team will be my team and my team will be your team. What does this mean? From the whole team's rewards, when they are trade, Royal Q will pay another 5% more from their trading guys. From their trading guys. When you trust Royal Q, are you going to trade for $100 or $1,000? You will trade more. Okay. If people trust Royal Q, they can see their profit. You will get the same percentage, but the difference how much you willing to make in Royal Q. We never had V6 yet. Just imagine, there's no V6 yet right now, but we have a lot of V5, a potential V6. There will be, maybe this month we have the first V6 in Royal Q, guys. This is the good thing, guys. Just imagine right now, we have more than 200,000 members around the globe. Just imagine if the team grow every month, just double, 200,000, 400,000, 400,000, 800,000. If by end of this year, we have 1 million members in Royal Q and they trade more than $1,000, just imagine this year global dividend will be huge, guys. It will only give to a V6, guys. How many V6 in the world right now? There's no V6, guys. This is where your target is. That's why from the beginning, in order for you to become a V6, you need to have 20 direct referrals, right? So remember, in order for you to become V6, you need to have 20 direct referrals. That's why I said in Royal Q, the secret is how fast you become a V2. You can do it by the team or you can do on your own. That's why from the beginning, when I see what is the highest requirement for me to become a V6 is direct referral, because direct referral you have to do on your own. But the team is the team effort, right? But you need to do. If you are planning to go to V6, you will do 20 direct referral from the beginning. You will do as soon as possible, because the secret in Royal Q is V2, guys. You need to become a V2 as fast as possible, and you need to duplicate more V2. The more V2 you have, you will go V3. The more V2 you have, you will go V3. The more V3 you can go V4. More V4 you can V5 and V6. That's the most important part. This is the most important part in Royal Q, where we can share the whole members of Royal Q global dividend reward, guys. This is the only company will share for the whole members trading reward, guys. None other company will be shared this, guys. Just imagine Royal Q pay up to 70% on their commission. 70%, right? This is huge, guys. 60% on the trading, yes, and another 5% payroll and 5%. Just imagine, right? Let me show you. I just want to give you some example, right? I just want to give you some example. Just imagine, right? Just imagine. If everybody can do at least 35 trade a day. Do you think you can have 35 trade a day? Yes. Average, we can do 35 trade a day. I will show you, I can do more than 100 trades a day. In a month, they will have 1,000 trades in a month. Okay, we are talking about the team reward, guys. This is the huge part. This is the unique part of Royal Q, because this is where they pay you in seconds, in minutes, not only in minutes, not only in hours, in every second, because people will make money every second. If you have one person who have 35 trades in a day, they have 30 days, they have 1,000 trades. If you have 1,000 members, you will override on 1 million trade every single month, guys. 1 million trade, right? Just imagine you will earn only 1 cent. You will make at least recurring income of $10,000 every month, guys. $10,000 every month on the trading alone. Just imagine if your team stopped to refer anybody, but they're happy with the trading. Okay, they do the trade. They will invest more in Royal Q because they trust Royal Q. Okay, just imagine if with 1 million trade in a month, you earn only 10 cents, 1 cent, guys. You will make recurring income of $10,000 every single month, but it pay you in every second, in every minute, guys. This is the good thing in Royal Q. Just we earn from the trading. This is the recurring income. Okay, this is the unique of Royal Q. Let me show you how this That's how this thing works, okay? As you know, you can go to reward detail. You can see this on the top is the breakdown, okay? This is a good thing about Reku. They have all the reports. Clearly, you can see every single thing, guys. Okay? Okay. Let me show you, okay? If you go to activation, okay, this is from your team. Just imagine I'm override $10, $20 every single hours, every single minute, okay? This is active on Peers Award, okay? What is the Peers Award? That means I have a team who are same rank like me, I still earn. I'm a V4 right now. I have a team who are V4. Roiku still pay another on the activation 1.50 ringgit. You're still earning that, brother. Even they are same rank like you still earning 150 cents. If you're V4 and V4, you earn 150 cents. If V5 and V5, 1.50 cents. If VC is $1. They still pay you on activation. Just imagine the more people group you have, the more people you make. Okay? Okay. Okay. Another thing I want to show you is, okay, this is activation. Okay, there is non-stoppable on activation. Okay. How about on direct qualification? This is on your direct team trading. Just imagine, like I show you. Can people make more than 35 trades a day? Look at these numbers, guys. Look at this name, guys. He make profit almost every minute, right? This is the good thing in Royal Q. As you can see here, the more people make money, the more people make profit, you will pay on the profit, okay? Just imagine how many people, you look at the same name, Starboss, right? King RQ, Robert, these people are make more profit every day. They will trade more. Just imagine that. Look at the team qualification. Let me show you. The thing that I want to show you, this is the only chances you want to make income on every second, guys. Don't look at the commission, guys. It's not much. It's only 1 cent, not even 1 cent, right? This is not important, guys, because this is recurring income. The most important part, you look at the timestamp, guys. Look at the timestamp, okay? In 1 minute alone, look at this, in 1 minute alone, 22:39, 10:39, 10 p.m. 39 minutes, okay? In 1 second alone, I earn 2 commission. In a second, guys, in 1 minute alone, just imagine, look at the timestamp. This is what you need to do. This is where you can earn money in every minute, in every second. In 1 minute alone, how much commission did I earn? How much commission did I earn? Because why? A lot of people make profit. They always people make profit every single minute, every single second. This is what you need to see in Royal Q. This is what you need to see. Let me go you to another Peers Award, right? Just imagine, guys, okay? Don't look at the money here. This is will come. Don't worry, guys. That's the good thing in Royal Q. They pay you instantly. Look at the timestamp, guys. Look at the timestamp, okay? Look at this time. By the minutes, right? By the minutes, just imagine at 5 minutes alone, how much profit there is. 5 seconds, 4 seconds, within 4 seconds alone. Just imagine within 4 seconds alone, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 seconds alone, I get paid in a second, guys. That's the good thing in Royal Q. This is, you get anywhere, guys. You get paid instantly. You can withdraw your money instantly, guys. Look at the time frame. This is the unique about Royal Q. The time frame, the timestamp, guys. This is the only chances for you to make money every minute, guys. Who will pay you every minute, guys? Who will pay? Are you go to work and they pay you every minute and even every second? No, guys, only at Royal Q. Just for $100 for you to start the affiliate platform, you will get paid every single second, every single minute from people profit. Just remember this. I just want you to remember this, guys. Okay, we are not a building people, guys. We are building a network of robot AI. Just imagine the robot will make the profit for your friends. We are building a network of robots. Previously, we built a network of people, right? If people then do this, not doing the sale, you don't earn a commission, right? Right? But it's network of robot. Robot will build the profit, guys. That's why I said, Who need this royal queue? Okay. People always need three things in their life. This is the three things you will ask, they will say no. First of all, people want to make profit, right? Who are sad when you make profit, right? The more people make profit, the more people they're happy. We want to create more happy people, right? Even they are stay at home, they want to make profit. This is what people want. Number two, people don't want to lose money, right? They don't want to lose money, right? They don't want to lose money, right? They don't want to lose money, right? Okay. First, they want to make profit. Okay. Two, they don't want to lose money. They want to lose money, right? Number three, they want things that easy. Who will reject you when you have something that easy, guys? People want to make profit, people don't want to lose money, people want to make something that easy. Yes, easy is come off because of the technology. That's why we can communicate with each other right now. We use a Zoom call, right? That's why we have a social media. We can easily to promote people. We have more friends in social media, right? In Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, whatever social media you have in your countries, we have more people. We can reach more people. That's what easy means. It's a technology, guys. We make profits. It's on autopilot where we don't want to lose money. That's the good thing in ROIQ. Because if you have some bad experience previously because you give your money to the company have a control. They can hold your capital, they can hold your withdrawal, but your money is your exchanger, either in Binance or in Huobi. Yes, you control your own capital. You can stop anytime. You can take your money anytime. Yes, ROIQ only do the instruction that you ask them to do. Okay, these three things that people want. If you ask anybody, do you want to make profit? Of course, yes. You don't want to lose money? Yes, people have a lot of people that are losing their money. If you want something easy, yes, you are stay at home, you stay at your smartphone every single day. This is what we have in order to these three things that what people need. Just imagine, people have smartphone, yes. People have smartphone, right? They will use their smartphone. Okay, there are so many apps in that phone. They install like Google Maps, they install like Google Chrome, social media, whatever you have in your apps in your phone. How many apps that make money for you in your smartphone? This is the generation that people need to have apps that make money in their smartphone. And the most important part, make money on autopilot. This is the global leader. Nobody will do this, guys. That's why I said, this is the things that we have collaborate three things, guys. Okay, what we have in ROIQ, we have about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is the future, guys. We have trading, guys. We have trading and we have networking, but this is different. We build a network of robots in every smartphone around the globe. Just imagine if people have more than one smartphone, right? Okay, if everybody install this app, when you will become V6, you will override from every users. You don't need to develop your apps, right? It's only need 1,500 members. You have 3 V5s with direct users. You will start earning from every single users of your tools from their trading. Look at this, right? From the past 4 months, I make $60,000. I had a lot of people make more than that, $100,000 or $200,000, right? Just imagine every single day we can make this profit. It's on autopilot, guys. Because why? We make profit when people make profit. Who make the profit? Robot make the profits. Just imagine just now while I'm talking to you, I still earning some money, yes. While I'm talking to you for the past few hours, for the past few minutes, right? I'm still earning money every single second. This is the unique about ROIQ. They don't wait. They pay you instantly. And you can withdraw anytime, guys. Okay? Just imagine you do your business today, you build your team, you build team of robots. Just remember that. You don't build team of people. Just imagine if people stop sponsoring people. Just imagine that, right? But they're happy with ROIQ. Maybe they start with $100 or maybe $1,000. After a few months, they will make money from the affiliate. They will add more on their tradings, guys. I just want to show you on the trading part, right? Let me show you. Is it really I can make more than 1,000 trades in a day? Just imagine, okay? I will show you my other accounts. Okay, this is my Royal Q apps, okay, because I have changed to Huobi. Okay, just imagine, in one day alone, I have made more than 100 trades, guys. More than 100 trades. Can human do this, guys? Can human do this? Yes, no. How many coins can you trade a day? How many research can do, analysis you can do in a day? I can make more than 100 trades in a day. More than 100 trades. Let me show you the result, okay? Let me show you. This is the most important part, okay? The most important part, when you look at the transaction, okay, I wanted to show you. Just imagine we make all this on autopilot. It doesn't matter market bullish or bearish, I still make money. I would like to show you on the trading close for today. Okay, just imagine, can human do this, guys? Can human do this? Can human do more than 100 trades in a day and is a closing trade a profit average on 1% every single trade? Okay, let's look at the timestamp. Let's look at the timestamp. Okay, just imagine. Okay, I make like at like just now 10:55. Okay, the robot closed the trade. Okay, look at another timestamp 10:52. Okay, look at another time while I'm talking to you guys. The robot 10:50. Look at another, guys. The robot will keep on money on autopilot. Do you think your friends need? Do you think your family members need? Do you think your neighbors need this? Do you think all your friends in social media need this? This is the future where we have an apps that generate income on autopilot with crypto, guys. Just imagine this, the big combination. Right? We have cryptocurrency, we have auto trading app, we have networking, and we build a network of robots that make profit for you every single day. Look at the trade, guys. If I have to do manually, I cannot, like almost every single minute I make profit, guys. That's the good thing in Royal Q. That's why I said in Royal Q, okay, in Royal Q, you can earn more, okay, by helping more people. If you don't know how to trade, you can copy trade. There's a lot of people here. Don't like waste your time to choose what coin you want to trade, okay? If you know how to trade, you can do the same thing. If you don't know how to trade, we have a lot of traders. You can copy trade, okay? If you know how to trade, you become the traders, right? People will follow you. You can make another income from become a traders. But you don't have to worry if you are new. I know there are some friends that are new. Okay, they are new and their friend is new. They don't know what to do. They don't know how to trade. Don't worry, guys. Of course, when you start with low capital, right? Same like me. I start with low capital. I start with $500. But when I trust, I put $5,000, $10,000 on trading. Because why? When I trust Roy Q, if Roy Q can make 1% a day, they will make 30% a month. But I don't have to wait in a month to make my profit. I can see my profit every single minute. It's an autopilot. I don't have to do anything. I can do less research, right? Because of course, knowledge is good, right? But with the right setting, it doesn't matter is market bearish or market bullish. I still can make money on autopilot. That's why, like I said, everybody needs this rest. Everybody needs to be happy. Everybody needs to have their family to make money from home. We are stuck in home, right? We are stuck at home. We spend most of the time in our smartphone. Why not we learn something? That's why we have this Zoom call to reach a lot of people around the globe, guys. We need to reach a lot of people around the globe, guys. As you can see, there is no limit. In Roy 2, it was said that when you're V2, you only can make $500 a day. If you V3, you can make 1,000. No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. There are people who are lower rank who make more than people who are in highest rank. The most important part is yourself, right? Is yourself, right? How many people you want to help right now? How many people you want to change their life? When you can see that people who make a lot of money, hundreds of thousands of dollars, and $250,000, it's not about how much money they make. Yes, it's not about how much money they make. How many lives that have changed in order for them to make that money. If they make that money, does people make profit? Of course. That's why I tell you, Roy Q, we build a network of robots, guys. We build a network of robots. This is a life-changing experience. This is a Q trending, guys. This is a trend setting. We build a network of robots, guys. Like I always say, guys, Roy Q is like, you can see the sky. Can you see the sky in your country? Yes. You can see the sky in every country, yes. But the thing is, you don't know the limit, yes. That is what Roy Q. You can see people who make money. The more people you refer, the more money you can make. It doesn't matter you come earlier or you come late. Okay. The most important thing, you put yourself in your heart. Okay. How many people you want to help? How many people you want to change their life? People are suffering because of pandemic. People are losing job. A lot of business are closing down. Okay. But with Royal Q, is a savior. $400 to start an affiliate platform, right? I have a friend who don't have money to how to trade. From the beginning, they say I don't have money to trade. But don't worry, guys. You can become an affiliate first. You can start promote with you. Selling $100 product, you earn $30, guys. Instantly, you can withdraw at any time. $100 product, yes. Everybody can buy $100. It's only one package. Okay, you refer 20 people, your commission increase to $40, guys. And your team grow, you earn overriding. Okay, the bigger your teams grow, you will see your money will come. Okay, and the most important part is the tradings, guys. I can make more than 100 trades a day. I said average people can make 35 trades a day. If time 30 days, they make 1,000 trades. If you have 1,000 people in your teams, right, you have override from 1 million trades, not 1 million people. 1 million trades is a month. If 1 cent, you will earn $10,000 reoccurring every single month. How fast can you do it? How fast you want to do this? How fast you want to draw your team? Okay, the secret in drawing 2 is a V2. You need to become the V2 as fast as possible. You need to duplicate V2, right? This is where the money starts. This is where you start the overriding. Okay, because the bigger your tips, okay, the bigger you will earn from the trading, guys. Because people, when they trust Royal Q, they will invest more. I have people who invest hundreds of $1,000s in Royal Q because they're happy. Because they're $100 in their exchanges. It's not in Royal Q. Royal Q don't control your money. You control your money. That's why I said people want 3 things in life. They want to make profit, right? They don't want to lose money. They want something that easy or user-friendly. This is a technology that makes things easy, right? This is a technology. You don't know how to trade. The system will do that for you. You don't know about Bitcoin or about cryptocurrency. Don't worry, guys. We will help you. We have the best tool that have changed a lot of people's lives around the globe by sharing this information. Okay, you don't have to worry, guys. If you don't know anything, we have a Telegram group. Okay, we have a Zoom call for international. They have a lot of Zoom call in their country and their languages, right? So you need to invite your friends. So that's it from me, guys. Look around, guys. If you're happy, if you can make profit or to travel, you make profit while you sleep. Why not you help your friend to have the same feeling, right? Why don't you help your friend to make them happy? Who are not happy when they make profit? It's not just a making profit, it's make profit on autopilot, right? The trading can go on. Yes, we have more than 70 coins, right? You can do more with Royal Q, yes. Okay, start helping more people, start changing more people, right, guys? Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, job well done by Mr. Kingas. Okay, he has explained a lot of things just now to you guys. A lot of things to absorb, correct? So, but not to worry, okay? The thing about, like, for myself, I know what the situation that you are in. I know what's the problem that you all suddenly think, hey, what should I put the trade settings, so and so forth. I'm going to share with you, okay? Basically, my community, we have created Discord. So some of you have never heard about what is this Discord all about. Okay, I'm going to share you in terms of my Telegram group. So, sorry. So basically, over at here, this is my Telegram group. So we have Discord. So inside this Discord, it will teach you in terms of how to do trading. We give you in terms of those halal and haram coins. We already compile to you. So this is one of my student, which I teach him. So this is Datuk lah from one of the Malaysia. So then after you see over here, 5.5%, 2.36%, 7.26%, and you see how much he earns. Okay, so you see over here, this is his new account that he created. So the thing over at this particular Royal Q, right? It is crazy, guys. It is crazy. You can get a lot of income. But then again, okay, wait. Let me show you in terms of my Discord. Okay, for those of you who want to see in terms of Discord, you join this Royal Q International. How to type? You type over here Royal Q World. You will be inside here. Then you can go inside our Discord page. So what happened? Okay, let me just show you a glimpse of it. A glimpse of this Discord page. Give me a short while that it load. So accept the invite. So over here, we want to cater to your needs. Okay, it is this particular Discord is FOC, free of charge. Okay, so over here in terms of technical analysis, shared settings. Okay, there are those, for example, like this kind of settings. It is for for this kind of settings is for riding of the green color candle. Then you can see over here, there's a lot of different settings that is being given by all the CFOs of my community. So for example, like here, okay, this one is 30 martingale strategy, is for bearish market. So we cater in terms of bearish market, in terms of those you riding on the green candle. So maybe you know that there's a news in terms of that particular coin is going to the moon. Then you can use in terms of my strategy, which is this. So this is the strategy, but take note, this is non-financial advice. Okay, it can be sometimes whereby I don't want you guys to float. So whenever you want to do this and you are unsure, ask inside the community. We are the community. We want to help you guys. We want to make sure that you earn a lot. So like what you see in terms of the Dato, not only the Dato, I myself with 6,800 USD of my capital, I earn 711 in a single day. Okay, so the thing over here is sometimes like for me, I have my own. Okay, this is my one of it. So everything is explained to you guys. Okay, how much coin you can go in. Okay, for example, in terms of Johan trick. So there is a lot of things that we already implemented over here in order to help the community. Okay, Discord is actually free, but then for those who want like more of the coaching, that's where I in terms of my premium channel. So I teach them in terms of a few new things and NFT, shit coins, everything. I will teach them inside there. So the thing over here, in terms of you want to know about tutorial wise, right? Everything is here. How to transfer money. We are growing this particular in terms of the content wise, right? We want to make it as good as possible for you guys. So, but not to worry, because I know how it feels when you first start this particular Royal Q journey. You have no friends, no one. You want to earn a lot of money, but the thing is, you need to understand the main mechanics of Royal Q. So like what King Gus has already shared with you, right? You can become V3, you can become V4. But the thing is, the key thing is you need a good teamwork. So ensure that you have a good team, help one another. So what I'm doing right now is I'm helping you guys in order for you guys to have good profits. So for me, basically as a team myself, I'm a leader. I just became V3 while I'm doing live right now. So the thing is, you need to be.
Well, congratulations, guys.
Thank you, King Gus. Thank you, King Gus. Yeah. So the thing is,
we have more people around the globe, right?
Yes, correct. So the thing is, for you guys, okay, out there, you just started in terms of this Royal Q. Okay, not to worry. That is where this Discord that you already saw just now is to help you guys. You can ask any questions inside the community. If let's say to guide you guys to maybe you just need some advice, okay, we can guide you guys in terms of what can be done next. Okay, so we shall go to the Q&A. King Gus, are you okay?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, no problem.
Yeah.
So to answer.
Yeah, for those of you who have questions, switch on your video, raise up your hand. Okay, shall we take the first one? Okay, Nauman Khan, I shall unmute you. Okay, Nauman Khan, over to you.
How are you, sir? Where are you from?
Hi, good evening. My name is Noman. I'm from Dubai. I'm from Pakistan basically, but I'm in Dubai right now.
Hi, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too. I just want to ask you, see, if we are having 3 referrals, these out of these 3, two are not performing, two are not doing anything. They just open the account and they are not, active in that. So in
Right.
that case, what you will do? You have maximum you can introduce is five, referrals. So your team
Okay.
will be stuck. You talk about all ideal situation. What
All
about
right.
like two of them are not active?
Okay. It's very easy, guys. It doesn't matter your team grow or not grow. Okay, you still earn a passive income from the trading, right? Okay, you will earn passive income from the trading, guys. I have people who don't want to build a network, but they invest like hundreds of $1,000s in Royal Q. We still earn on the passive income. But in order for you to build a team, you need to follow a requirement, guys. I think you have more than 20 friends in your smartphone, in your WhatsApp group, Facebook group, Telegram group. You have more than 20 people, guys. Okay? And you don't have to worry, right? Because there's a lot of people, guys. There's a lot of people in social media, guys. You don't when you do a business, you don't depend on your family members to buy your product, right? But this is something good for a family, right? I even have an account for my mom. He don't know anything about trading, right? He said he want to make some money. He asked me, what do I do? I said, I do trading on the autopilot. He said he want to invest some money, right? She don't know about trading. She don't know much about cryptocurrency. I said, I need to set up your account. Okay, I do all the settings. What you need to do, you just click the income button every single day. You are so happy, right? There are people who don't know how to trade and they don't have much capital, right? We have a copy trade, right? But in order for you to build a team, you must remember, okay? You can do three things in Royal Q. You can do trade alone. There are people who have a lot of money, they want to build a team. Yes, you can even do a network alone. I have a friend who don't have money to trade, but they said he have a social media. What you need to do to get people who want to make money, right? He can start to do the affiliate, right? $400 to start a business, right? If you refer like four friends, you already make $120, right? $20 and four is $120. And you can start doing the tradings, right? Sometimes there are people who start their tradings from the commission that they earn from the affiliate, right? Right? That's how you have, right? If you actually want to build a team, you don't depend on your three friends, guys. When we do business, we don't depend on our friend or family members, right? Right? We have more people in social media, right? That's what we need to do. We need to share the benefits. We need to invite them to the Zoom call, right? We need to invite them to the Telegram group or Discord, whatever WhatsApp group that you have, for them to get more information. Okay? Just imagine, guys, you have the apps that can make money on autopilot. Okay, sometimes, okay, for the marketing part, right? Okay, this is how I do. Okay, you can use the same technique, right? Sometimes in my country, when we talk about crypto, people think it's a scam, right? When we talk about trading, people think you're going to lose money, right? Okay, of course, people will do trading in there's so many ways to do trading, stock market, forex, and there's so many ways, right? Okay, these two things will make them think negatively. Crypto is a scam, trading is a lose money, right? But remember one thing, right? We have a lot of testimony people who make profit every day, right? We cannot convince people, right? Okay, we cannot convince them. But what people want, what is every common need for every single people around the globe? They want to make money, right? They want to make money from home, right? They want to make money. Nobody say, I don't want to make money, right? Even the rich people want to make more money, right? Okay, they want to make money. Okay. We have a tools, right? The tool is as good as setting, install these two apps, right? RoyQ or Binance or Huobi, deposit some money, do the settings or copy trades, they make money on autopilot instantly. Within 24 hours, they will see the result, right? Okay. So you don't have to worry about people who don't want to build a business, right? Okay. That's why I said, what is your focus on? Okay. You're focused on to help more people. God will bring you the people who want to get help, right? That's what I get. Okay. People are looking ways of make money from homes. Guys. $400, people make hundreds of $1,000. People make like 4 figures income in a day, right? Look at how much we have changed the world with Royal Q apps, right? Okay, this is like a product you need to sell. It's an app that make money on autopilot. That's what I tell to my friends. Okay, you have a smartphone, right? How many apps in your smartphone? How many apps in your smartphone that make your phone hang? Right, right. But how many apps in your smartphone that can make money? Of course, there are so many apps that can make money. How many apps that you have can make money on autopilot? That's the question we need to ask. We have a lot of testimony around the globe, guys. People are not make a small money. They make 3 figures, 4 figures income, even 5 figures income in a day. Okay, you will override every single second. That's why I show you. This is the only apps that you can make money by the second, guys. By the seconds, by the minutes. Okay, they don't wait for 24-hour sales. After midnight, they will pay you. They pay you instantly. Every single second, people make profit. But remember, they don't trade. The robot do the trade. We build a network of robots. Just remember that. Do you think people don't want this? You ask your 3 friends. You ask everybody in the world 3 questions. Do you want to make profit? Okay. You want to lose money? No. They don't want to lose money. You want to do something that easy? That's why we can grow, because we sell a digital product. It's an app, right? The app that you sell, you can make money, right? That's why I said, how you sell the product. Okay? The product, can my product solve many people problem around the globe? Can my product solve for people to make some cash flow? Don't talk about become rich, guys. If you can make $30 a day, in 10 days you make $300. I don't know how much in your countries, but in my country it's times 4, right? Just imagine, for the beginning, you need to do your own works, right? But when you have your teams, right, the whole teams make profit from the trading sales. That's what you earn money by the seconds. That's you need to put in your minds. Is there any other platform that pay you by the seconds, by the minutes, by the hours, instantly pay to you, and you can withdraw anytime, guys? You can withdraw anytime, right? Yes. This is something you need to plan in your mind. This app make money on autopilot, pay you every second, every minute, every hours, every day. Yes. You pay you instantly, yes. That's why I said you don't have to worry. If you sell the product, people don't want. But if you want to, if you sell the product as a problem solvers, a lot of people losing their job during this pandemic. Yes, a lot of business has been closed, right? Right. But do you think that to make an extra income will hurt them or will make them more happy? That's why how you sell the product. If you think this is something to help people, to change people's life, you will get more people, yes. That's what you do. The people who make more money is not just because they are make money, it's because the people that they are change their life. Okay. The more money they make because they change a lot of people's life, that's what you need to do. This is what you need to share with your friend. You have something that can solve a lot of people's problems, right? Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, King Gas. Okay, we try to take one more question because I think now it's like 11:18. Okay, one last question, please. Okay, me, Kabiru, please. Over to you. Kabiru? Okay, Kabiru is not there. Okay, Kabiru. Okay, now we try Timothy, please. Timothy, I already unmute you.
Yes, let me help you guys.
Okay, so what's your question?
Hello, sir. Where are you from?
Timothy. Timothy, you there?
Okay, maybe we can ask another person.
Okay, we ask another person.
We're looking for
Let me
people
see.
who open their videos.
Okay, we look at deputy coordinator. Okay, deputy coordinator, please feel free to ask your question, please.
Yes, sir. How can I help you? Where are you from?
Yeah, this is Daniel. I'm from Lagos, Nigeria.
Yes, how are you, sir?
I really appreciate this wonderful opportunity.
We cannot hear you clearly, so can you speak loudly?
Yeah, I really appreciate you for this wonderful opportunity
Alright.
to lecture us more, guide us on what to do, respect of Royal Q. It's a very interesting way of making money. It's a wonderful platform. I've been watching it for some time and they following it up. I think I'm yet to make my decision, but this is a wonderful one. So the question is this, sir.
Okay.
Now, the problem, I think, if I don't know if there's a platform whereby someone can be, in terms of setting the trade, that we are going to have a challenge here, so that someone cannot make a mistake in respect of that, sir. You get?
I cannot hear you clearly. So what's your question again, sir?
My question is this, in terms of this, in respect of settings of the trade, I think that where I'm more interested. Setting the trade, I'm not good in that. Probably, I don't know if there's a platform whereby someone can also.
Okay, this is how it works, sir. This is why we should. Okay, like this. Okay, the setting is depend on your capital, sir. If you don't know, if you don't have much money, you just need to copy trade. It's very simple. In order to what we need to do, we want to make money, right? Right. If you don't know how to settings, we can teach you how to settings, right? But the most important part, sir, if you don't have much capital, there's a lot of trader you can copy trades, right? You leverage on their expertise. That's why I said Roy Q is for everybody. Even you are new to crypto, even new trading, we always have a ways for you to make money, right? Okay, if you don't have much money, you need to copy trade. Don't worry, sir. We have a lot of traders that have experience. Okay, you don't have to worry about the setting at the beginning. The most important part at the beginning, you want to see how this robot can make money on autopilot. That's the most important part. When you have more money, okay, we will teach you to trade because right, the setting we can customize based on your risk profile. There are people who are low risk profiles. There are people who medium risk. There are high risk. There are super high risk, right? If you have more capitals, there's really you can do the customized settings. You don't have to worry about the setting. That's the most important thing. At the beginning, you want to know how to make money on autopilot first. You don't know how to trade. You know what coin to choose. There's a lot of government. Some people ask me, what coin to choose? Don't worry, just follow copy trades. They will make profit for you. That's the most important.
I have a very big plan for Royal IQ.
Okay.
So I'm very optimistic when I'm taking a decision. Hello, can you hear me? Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So, hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, I have a very big plan for Royal Q. I love this opportunity. I'm this kind of that are very open-minded to information. And when it comes, I drop it myself. Now, I would love to go into the very good capital we get.
Okay.
Now, for my fear is this. In as much as it's an artificial intelligence, my fear is this. I don't want to be kind of always copy trade, and I think that is the waste of energy.
Okay. Okay. You can find a lot of people will teach about the settings in YouTube, guys. You just search Roy Q settings, right? There's a lot of video talk about the settings, right? You don't have to worry, guys. We have a lot of information right now in social media, right? Don't worry about the setting. There's a lot of video about how to do the right setting. You can choose whichever that's suitable to you, right? You don't have to worry about that. Okay, thank you very much.
In as much as
Okay. We are shorted of time right now. We need to go to our next speaker. Okay.
All right.
King guys, you want to do the spin or you skip
Yes,
to
yes, I'll
Danish
do
now?
the spin. I'll do the
Okay.
spin. Just do one
Okay.
spin.
Okay, give me a short
All right,
while.
guys.
Let me share you the screen.
All right.
Okay, where's the app? Okay. Okay, let's try. We play. Okay, King guys.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay. Right.
All right,
Spin.
over to you. All right. Okay, congratulations, Ikina. Okay, let me screenshot first. Okay. Later you go message inside my Telegram at Master Zimo. Okay. Now without further ado, let me introduce you to the 19-year-old, most talented, very young chap, very humble person, Mr. Danish. Over to you, Mr. Danish. Danish, are you there, Danish?
Hello.
Yes, over to you.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can.
Yeah, I see my face, so you need to stop sharing screen. Okay, cool. Okay, all right. So thanks to our host, Master Zimo. Okay, so now it's my turn to start sharing my journey in Royal Q. Okay, so before that, I would like to introduce myself first. I am Danish Izwan. I am the admin of Pemburu DHP channel on YouTube. Okay, so in English, we call it as Money Hunter. Okay, so I am 19 years old. Okay, I like to make money. Okay, by using online. Okay, online marketing. Okay, so I want to share my journey in Royal Q. Okay, I joined Royal Q since 17th April. Okay, at that time, my capital, I only have $170 only. Okay, only. So as we know, for activation fees, we need to have $120. All right, and then the balance around $50. It is for my trading. Okay, for capital for my trade. Okay, so yeah, $50 is not sufficient, right? Okay, so what I did was I upload Royal Q video on my YouTube channel. That time my YouTube channel only have around 900 to 1K subscribers. Okay, and right now, okay, I have around 5K subscribers. Because of what? Because of Royal Q. Okay, people search my YouTube channel to get information about Royal Q, to watch the recorded Zoom meeting. Okay, so for me, Royal Q is a very wonderful app because we can earn money 1 to 5% daily average. Okay, and for me, it helped me a lot because I did the affiliate, the networking, so I have earned a massive profit from affiliate. So right now, my team, the total members in my team already around 8,000. Okay, 8,000, and my profit for only for networking or affiliate, okay, I accumulate around 50K, 50K dollar. Okay, so yeah, because now it's late already. Okay, I would like to share my screen to show my account. Okay, so okay, wait a minute. All right, so Master Simo, can see my screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, good. Okay, so all right, so as you guys can see, I registered on 17 April. Okay, right now I'm still B3. Okay, I'm still B3. So my team right now, okay, around 8K, okay, 8,000, and activated already 4K. 4K. So for the very first month, I joined Royal Q. I I push I push very hard because yeah, I want to help more people to get information about Royal Q. Okay, so this is my profit. Okay, since I joined Royal Q, this is for affiliate, not for trading. Okay, for my trading, I have earned around 1K dollar. Okay, so you guys can see start from 18 April until now. Okay, day by day my profit increasing. Okay, and then now you guys can see my profit accumulate around 57K Okay, so you guys can see, look at the timestamp. Okay, 15, 16 every day. Okay, so for today I have earned $225. Okay, so yeah, for the affiliate part, it is very, very wonderful commission that given from Royal Q. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is Royal Q is zero risk application. We don't need to worry about that because our capital is safe in exchanger, whether Hobby or Binance. So we don't need to worry anything. Okay, what we need to do is learn how to use Royal Q, how to setting. So if you guys search on YouTube, there's a lot of video. Okay, there's a lot of video you guys can learn free of charge. Okay, so you guys also can join Master Zemo, our host, Discord, okay, or Telegram group. Okay, so for me, I am just 19 years old. Okay, I still can manage to get around 50k dollar. Okay, I'm still student. Okay, I'm still studying. All right, so like at night I do Royal Q, and then in the morning I in class. Okay, online class. So for me, for those who haven't joined Royal Q, you guys must join Royal Q because it's very, very wonderful application that can help us to earn money like 1 to 5% daily average. If per month, we can earn 10 to 30% per month. Okay, so yeah, you guys can see I have shown my profit. That is very, very proven because me, I am 19 years old, can earn that much. I think you guys can earn more than me if you get focused on affiliate. Okay, so for affiliate, the profit it is unlimited. Okay, for trading it's limited. It is based on our capital. Okay, we need a big capital to earn more. Okay, but for affiliate it is unlimited. It is based on our hustle. Okay, all right, so I think that's all from me because it's late now. Okay, so I pass to our host back, Master Zemo. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Danish. Well informative. You guys have seen how much he had earned in terms of affiliate only. Okay, guys. Okay, without further ado, Mr. Danish, shall we do the spin? Give me a short one. Let me share my screen.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, over to you.
Okay, spin.
Please take note now. Later you all need to go to Telegram, message Master Zemo. Okay, congratulations, John Broley.
John Broley.
Woohoo. Okay, wait, let me screenshot.
Congratulations.
First. Congratulations. Okay, wait. Okay, now we shall go to the next speaker first. Mr. Edric Chang. Okay, I shall stop my screen first. Okay, thank you, Danish, so much for your information just now. So without further ado, we shall welcome Mr. Edric Chang. He's from Indonesia. He has rise up quite fast. Okay, Mr. Edric, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, over to you, Ross.
All right. Hello, my friends. My name is Edric Chang. I am 17 years old. So I am younger than the one before, right, Mr.
Danish.
Mr. Danish, yeah. I'm 17 years old. Do you see me as a 17 years old, guys? Yeah. But it was 13 years ago, yeah. I am 30 now, my friends. Yeah. Okay, so I will tell you all what is the reason I joined this project, okay? What is the reason, yeah? Why is the reason? It is because one, it is safe, yeah. Your funds is safe at your Binance, yeah. Two, the robot has fundamental, yeah. It uses martingale strategy, right? It uses averaging down, yeah. Martingale strategy, guys, yeah. Then number three is this project is new, yeah. I've seen a lot of robot, forex robot, yeah, but crypto robot is very unique, yeah. Maybe this is the first one. The first network marketing in crypto robot, yeah. This one, is Royal Q. Yeah, this is the most fastest and the most large network marketing in the crypto rabbit company. Yeah, so maybe a lot of the speakers have already said many things, my friends. Yeah, so I will not take long to speak. So guys, just join the project and make money together. Yeah, okay. See you at the next Zoom. All right. Thank you all. Happy profit.
Awesome. Okay, guys, like what you say, he looks very young lah. He's almost looks 17 lah. Okay,
Yeah,
guys.
17.
Okay. Okay, right now we shall do the wheel. You give me a short while. It will change. Okay.
Spin.
All right, spin. Oh no, we need to say advertisement.
No. Forex.
Okay, like what he said just now. He just said about forex.
Yeah,
Now
just
he's
say
talking about
forex there.
Okay, spin.
Spin.
Okay. What's his name? Kamang.
Okay,
Later,
Kamang.
congratulations.
Kamang.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take note. Please message me. Okay. Later I will show you inside. Wait. Stop this one. Okay. Thank you so much, brother.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. So remember, okay, to message me. Okay. So that later I will transfer you guys the money. Okay. Take note. Okay. Later just message me. Okay. Now over to our last ever speaker. He is from India, and truthfully enough, I've been following him actually lah. So he has gotten quite a lot of people to join, and I think over in India there's a few numbers of V5 as of now. So without further ado, okay, let me see. I forget his name already. Mr. Najendran, is it? Let me see. What's your name, boss? Mr. Mahendra. Mahendra, are you there, Mr. Mahendra?
Hello.
Yeah, Mr. Mahendra, over to you, my brother.
Yes. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Welcome. Terima kasih sama-sama.
Yeah. Good evening, all of you. Thank you very much inviting me. My voice is clear.
Your voice is very clear.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, everyone. So first up, big thanks to my senior, my friend Murli Mohan, who gave me beautiful business, beautiful concept, and now I am V5. Very. It is amazing, and it is my life is a change of 360 degrees actually. Because yesterday I earned $2,900.
Wow!
It is amazing. I very thankful my friend Mr. Murli Mohan in India, who gave me my beautiful business, and thank you also, because every week English Zoom meeting help us. That's why my team is growing. And thanks, very thanks in my team members who support me. And I show can show me my screen business apna details, reward details.
Yeah, you can share your screen.
Okay. Already I completed my 80 days total. I have joined 28th May 2021, and my first income is 29.5 is a $30. My first payout, and after 5 days I am V2, and after V2 I earn average $100, 141, 150. Okay, and now I'm V5. It is a very very amazing. Now, yesterday I earned $2,929, and today's $2,478 I earn. Okay, and my team contribution income is $621. It's a very very amazing. People's profits, I earn profit, and total my earning $55,367. I earn 44 lakhs. So thank you Royal Q, thank you Royal Q team, and also thanks my team member, and big thank you my friend Murli Monji. Okay sir, thank you very much.
Job well done, brother. Good job, good job. Wow, are you a millionaire now inside India now?
Yeah, I'm Mumbai, India. I stay.
Nice lah. Keep up the good work. Spread the love, my brother.
Thank you very much.
Okay. It's time for you to do your. Can you stop the screen? Then we go to the spin the wheel.
Okay.
Okay. For those just now I had announced, right? Do remember, please message me, because the third person who won the spin the wheel, and fourth person who won the spin the wheel, you have not yet messaged me yet. Okay, please take note. Mr. Mahendra, right? Can you stop share? Click the stop share. Mr. Mahendra.
Yes.
I need you to, you need to click on stop share.
Stop share, okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, let's go to the spin the wheel. Okay, you can see my screen. Okay, Mr. Mahendra, over to you. Just say spin.
Where spin?
Yeah, just say the word spin only. No need, you just say spin only. I will click for you.
Only click to spin?
Never mind. I click for you already.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
So the winner is Uchenna. Please take note. Message me, okay? Okay, you need to message me to add Telegram, download Telegram. Okay, then you can let me see. Okay, you message over here. My name is this one, Master Zemo. So you can message me because you have already won. Okay, you message me so that I can transfer you the money. Okay, guys. Let me see. Do we want to have any more questions? Okay, let me go out from the screen. We have come to the end of this particular Zoom meeting, the English session. I hope, let me switch on my screen. Okay, you guys can see me. Okay, you have listened to all the speakers for today. Our special guests, 3 of them, they are very young. Some of them are so passionate. So like people like Dani, she has a YouTube. And the thing is, when you have a YouTube channel, it's easy for you guys to get your downline, to get more people. So if your main aim is to help the community, and let's say you share in terms of your YouTube video, because for those of you who are asking about trade settings, so and so forth, right? Go to the YouTube. Okay, go to your introducer. Ask your introducer, how can I do in terms of copy trade? Because you do not know on how to do this. Okay, you are a bit confused on how am I going to do in terms of copy trade. That is where you can go look inside like I shared with you guys on my Discord. Okay, over there is some of the trade settings is there. You all can practice it. Okay, you need to understand. Most importantly, you need to understand on how to use the Royal Q robot. Please do ensure that you do not click on all coins. Okay, on all the coins, because at the end of the day, if you click on all the coins later, you have not enough money. So like the topic says, it's called money management versus trial and error. It is like a science project. Okay, this particular Royal Q is like a science project, especially when you want to go in depth in terms of the trade settings. The trade settings that you all see over there, do not click the default when you have 100 USD, which is your capital. Because if you go for the by default strategy, please take note that one will cost you about $2,270 US if I'm right lah. So you need to understand all the trade settings, what is the functions, go YouTube, find your answers, or maybe you can just look for, my name is Master Zemo. If you need help, right, I will bring you to the community. Then, like I said, like what King Gus had mentioned, everybody over here has mentioned, the thing is you need some help. If you need some help in terms of the trade settings, or maybe in terms of how much you need to put in terms of your buy-in. If let's say you are a trader and you don't want to do in terms of affiliate program, so do not focus on affiliate program, but focus on your trading. Okay, but when you focus on your trading, take note, you need fuel fee. Okay, when you introduce somebody, you'll get a fuel fee. So if let's say you don't want to introduce anybody to an affiliate program, right, you need to top up using from your Binance or your Hobby, pump your money to your fuel fee. So it will be deducting, you must always remember that 20% of your profit goes to your fuel fee that will be collected by Royal Q. So you have heard a lot of things. Okay, right now we have a total of 243. Up until now, I think I have 2 people who have not yet messaged me in terms of their this what you call that, message me in terms of the lucky draw. I shall open 2 more, because up until one person just messaged me, so I left 1 more. Okay, let me just counter check. So I left 1 more person to message me in terms of your name, and also like what I have already done the screenshot, so I already know who you are. Please message me. You left only 1 more. So you already learned a lot of things from every single speaker. Feel free to ask. If not, we shall end this particular session. We will see you on the next live session on the English Zoom. Feel free to ask, or maybe just, if let's say you can look in terms of the community which is inside, like Roy Q info. There's a lot of Roy Q Telegram group. Just join one of it, then you can ask the question that you wanted to ask. Okay, so I shall end this particular session. I'll be signing out. My name is Master Zemo. Take care. Good night, good afternoon, good morning, and God bless. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum to everybody. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.